In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in Microsoft Teams chat. Tagging is a fantastic feature in Microsoft Teams that helps you capture someone's attention directly in your chat conversations. It's an effortless way to ensure that important messages are seen by the right people, improving your communication and collaboration within the team. Let's start off by opening Microsoft Teams on your device. If you aren't logged in yet, make sure to do so using your credentials. Once you're inside, you'll notice the sidebar on the left. Here, you'll see several options like Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, among others. Go ahead and click on the Chat icon, since that's where we're going to focus today. You'll now be able to see a list of recent conversations. If you want to tag someone in an existing chat, select that conversation from the list. Alternatively, if you need to start a new chat, click on the New Chat icon at the top of the chat window, and enter the name of the person or the group you want to communicate with. Once you've opened the chat window, you're ready to start typing your message. To tag someone in your message, type the @ symbol, which looks like the @ character, followed directly by typing their name. As you start typing after the @ Microsoft Teams will suggest team members' names that you can choose from, making it easier for you to find the right person quickly. When you see their name, either complete typing or simply click on their name from the suggestions list. This will create a tagged reference to the individual. Once the person's name is appropriately tagged, you can continue typing your message. It's important to note that tagging someone not only highlights their name in your message but also sends them a notification, helping ensure that your message gets their attention. This can be particularly useful in group conversations or busy teams where messages can easily get lost in a thread. Now, as a best practice, try to keep your messages concise and clear. Using tags is a powerful tool, but you'll want to make sure you're using them effectively by pairing them with well-structured messages. Finally, when you're satisfied with your message, go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard, or click the send button. Your message, complete with the tag, will now be sent, and you can rest assured that the person tagged will receive a direct notification. They'll know that your message is specifically intended for them to look at, ensuring prompt communication. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to tag someone in Microsoft Teams chat. Remember, tagging helps foster more effective communication, reduces confusion, and enhances prompt collaboration within your team or organization. So, start implementing this tip into your daily workflow, and see how seamlessly it improves your interactions in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you work more efficiently and effectively.